Hi guys, New Narbis 28 here. So today we've got an intro of Connacht Road level crossing in County Antrim. This crossing's LEDs, keep crossing clear sign, yield alarm, barrier, the M20 thread, Smith's hydraulics, the 9th of July 1992, 700 kilograms. Wooden crossing plants, no anti-trespass guide. Wait, no, there is. The red signal down there. LEDs, deep crossing clear sign. Left hand set to call central signal box, await response. Location ID XL27. Location Auglish. Grid reference 310633. Grid now 3051. Note that your call may be recorded. LED lights, yield alarm at the top. Sun's blinding me. Barriers, M20 thread. Smith's hydraulics companies, made on the 9th of June 1992, 700 kilograms. 26, whatever that means. And someone's left a McDonald's cup there. Last set of lights, LEDs, keep crossing clear. Exactly the same thing. So this crossing's on the line. It goes from Great Victoria Street to Derry. That way towards Great Victoria Street. That way towards Derry.